Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check email on your Android phone. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. IMEI stands for International Mobile Equipment Identifier, and it's a 15-digit number that is unique to every mobile device. In the event that your phone is ever lost or stolen, you can provide the IMEI number to authorities to help identify your device or to your network provider so that they can log the phone and render it as useless to the thief. So how to do it, how to check your IMEI, it's so simple. So you can open your settings on your phone. You can go to your About phone. Now you can scroll down, you can open the detail, info and specs. You can scroll down and there is an option status where you can see your phone number, signal and more. And tap on that. And now you can scroll down as you can see on your device details. There's a like option SIM status, model and email. There's 2-slot email on your phone. You can check the email by tap. If you want to check the first email, you can tap on here, tap to show info, and you can tap on email to SIM slot 2, like this. So here's your email, will be appear on the screen like this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to check email on your Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.